Here's a question that's on everybody's mind in 2025.
Will artificial intelligence replace us?
AI's potential impact on employment.
Warns AI could eliminate nearly 100 million jobs.
Concerns are growing about AI replacing some human workers.
Layoffs are up, hiring is down.
How much of your jobs could AI really take over? Look around you and you will hear this everywhere. Companies like TCS, Microsoft, Oracle and Intel are facing layoffs across multiple sectors. Now the question comes here is, which jobs are truly safe from it? This isn't some distant future we are talking about, it's happening right now, right here. And you start to realize that this fear is real. And it's not just about small numbers. Former Cisco CEO's warning goes beyond AI simply destroying jobs. He predicts that 50% of Fortune 500 companies could disappear. Now we are not just even talking about jobs. Entire companies could be wiped off the map. Machines that can write code, analyze data, and even create content are already taking over tasks humans used to handle. So yes, it's natural to feel worried. And if you're not worried, maybe you should feel a little bit. Even an article by the World Economic Forum predict that by 2025, 85 million jobs could be lost due to AI and automation. Historically, every wave of automation has replaced human labor. From water wheels and steam engines to assembly lines, technology has always shifted the workforce. But there's a hope. The same report predicts that 97 million new jobs will be created. Jobs we couldn't even imagine a few years ago. AI trainers, prompt engineers, data specialists, career of future that are beginning to boom. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace jobs, it's whether you are ready to evolve with it. AI is just the next big wave. And this time it's not just about doing the same work faster, it's about changing the way we work entirely. Customer service bots are already handling over 85% of routine queries. AI can write articles, design logos, and even edit videos. But not every job is at risk. In this video, we will break down the 25 jobs that are most likely to survive AI, the career that will thrive no matter how fast technology advances. So the very first job is healthcare professional, doctors and nurses. Okay, so let's start with something obvious, healthcare. AI can analyze X-ray, MRI's lab result, and even predict potential diseases faster than any human. But here's the thing, can AI calm a scared patient? Can it hold a panicked patient hand? Can it make life or death decision in a chaotic emergency? Absolutely not. Example, during COVID-19, doctors and nurses weren't just treating patients, they were comforting families, calming fears, and making real-time decisions that AI could never handle. That combination of technical skill and empathy, that's purely human. Even with complex digital technologies around, competent professionals are essential to use them effectively and safely. Now moving ahead, teachers and educators. Let's talk about teachers. No doubt AI can explain a math formula perfectly, summarize historical events in seconds, and even prepare reports. But the question is, can AI sense when a student is confused, frustrated, or about to give up? Not really. Imagine students struggling with a tough concept during a virtual AI lesson. The AI might repeat the explanation, but a human teacher notices the frustration, encourages the student, and explains it in a new way. That personal touch, totally human. Teaching is more than just delivering content. It's about bonding with students, motivating them, and fostering divergent thinking. That's the human connection we are talking about. Third is mental health counselor and therapist. Now let us think about mental health. AI can give advice or suggest steps based on patterns it has learned. But can it pick up on subtle emotion cues? The tone of voice, body language, or micro expression? No. Emotional intelligence is still firmly in human hands. A therapist listening to someone's story of a trauma might sense hesitation, fear, or anxiety that isn't directly stated. AI can detect keywords, but it cannot truly empathize, feel, or respond with the nuanced care humans provide. Deep emotional connection, that's human territory. Moving ahead with creative artist and designer. AI can generate AI or imitate famous artist style, but here's the real question. Can it create from lived experience? Can it feel heartbreak, joy, or inspiration? That very thing that fuel authentic creativity? Definitely not. Example, Frida Kahlo didn't just paint what she saw. She painted what she felt. Every brushstroke reflected her life, her pain, her trip. AI can mimic style, but it cannot live a life or turn those experiences into genuine art. Moving ahead, researchers and scientists. AI can process massive data set in seconds, identify patterns, and even suggest hypotheses. That's incredible. But can it trek through the Amazon rainforest, observe animal behavior firsthand, or design experiment in unpredictable environment? Not yet. Example, Jane Goodall didn't just study chimpanzees. She lived with them for decades, observing, interacting, and learning directly from their environment. AI can crunch numbers, but it cannot replace the intuition, curiosity, and hands-on learning that comes from being there. Moving ahead, skilled tradespeople, which include electrician, plumbers, and carpenters. Now let's talk about skill trades. Robots are amazing in clean, controlled environment, but real-life repairs, messy, unpredictable, and requiring improvisation, that's human speciality. A plumber fixing a leaky pipe in an old building has to navigate hidden corners, adapt tool creativity, and improvise solution on spot. A robot would struggle in this chaos, and that's exactly why these jobs are safe. Moving ahead, social workers and community leaders. AI can analyze data and suggest solution, but actually solving social problems require empathy, cultural awareness, and human judgment. For example, mediating a family conflict or supporting someone through a crisis needs understanding of emotions, relationship, and context. AI might generate suggestion, but it cannot execute with the emotional sensitivity a human provide. Moving ahead, we have emergency responders, which includes firefighters and paramedics. Okay, think about emergency responders. AI can alert us to danger, predict accident, or guide people. But rushing into a burning building or making split-second medical decision at the scene, that take courage, intuition, and adaptability, which qualities AI doesn't have. For example, paramedics often have seconds to decide whether to intubate, stabilize, or transport a patient. AI can provide information, but it cannot feel urgency, weigh risk, and act with human instinct. Moving ahead, we have writers with unique voice. Now let's talk about writers. AI can write blog, script, and essays, but can it share stories shaped by life experiences? Can it convey soul, memory, and emotion? Not yet. Think of Maya Angelou or Gabriel Garcia. Their words were steeped in lived experience. AI can imitate style, but it cannot replicate human life or genuine emotional depth. Then we have entrepreneurs and innovators. This is a space where humans thrive. AI can analyze trends, but creating something entirely new, taking risk, envisioning what people don't even know what they want, that's human. For example, Steve Jobs didn't just analyze data, he imagined product people hadn't even thought of using. AI can't dream or anticipate human desire the way we can. Then we have chefs and culinary artists. Now moving to the kitchen. AI can follow recipes perfectly, but tasting, experimenting, and balancing flavor, it's not possible. A chef like Gordon Ramsay adjusts recipes based on the subtle taste differences, personal creativity, and experience. AI can copy recipes, but it cannot innovate in real time the human do. Moving ahead, we have athletes and coaches. Now AI can analyze stat, optimizing training schedule, and even suggest strategies. But the motivation, inspiration, and on-spot strategies, that's human. Moving ahead, we have event planners and wedding coordinators. Let's talk about event. AI can suggest layout, schedule, or even seating chart. But can it read the room, calm a nervous bride, or handle last-minute chaos? No. Then we have human resources professional. Okay, so next we have HR. AI can screen resumes and automate routine tasks, but mentoring employees, resolving conflict, or understanding company cultures, that still requires human. Next, we have journalists and investigative reporters. AI can summarize fact and even generate report, but the uncovering hidden truth that requires curiosity, courage, and ethical judgment, which are human qualities. Next, we have performers and entertainers. Okay, so let's talk about entertainment. AI can imitate voice or movements, but can it feel or connect with audience on a deeper level? Absolutely not. That still require human. Next, we have environmental scientist. Now moving ahead, environmental science, AI can analyze climate data or model ecosystem, but real world conservation that takes boot on the ground research, patience, and ethical commitment. Next, we have negotiators and diplomat. Okay, let's think about negotiations. AI can suggest strategies, but reading emotions, building trust, and navigating relationships, human win here. Up next, we have constructor manager and architect. Moving ahead, construction and architecture, robot can build but designing structures, adapting to site challenges, and making real-time decisions, that's human creativity. Next, we have life coaches and mentors. Okay, life coaching, AI can give advice, yes, but inspiring someone, holding them accountable, and understanding their journey, it's human. Next, we have AI engineers. Now, moving ahead, even the people building AI, their creativity, problem solving, and judgment remain uniquely human. Then we have data scientists. So data science, AI can process huge data set, but interpreting it, asking the right questions, and guiding strategies require human insight. Next, we have machine learning engineer. Now, moving ahead, AI can optimize model, but designing algorithm, debugging, and ensuring ethical outcome requires human. Up next, we have AI ethics specialist. Okay, ethics. AI can't self-regulate. Humans are needed to prevent biases, ensure fairness, and safeguard society. Last, we have AI product managers. Now, finally, product management, which is bridging tech and business, understanding users, balancing ethics, human judgmental is essential. For example, deciding which AI feature to launch or how to prioritize them ethically require intuition and foresight that AI cannot replicate. Now, here's the takeaway. AI will transform the work we do, but it won't replace the human spark. Empathy, creativity, judgment, intuition, these are all our superpowers. The question here is, are you leaning into them or letting AI define the future for you? Ask yourself, which of your skills are uniquely human? Are you developing them enough to stay future proof? Thank you and see you in the next video.